Welcome to Shivaji Group Institution. Myself Hitesh Gilwani, your chemistry tech. Today we will continue with the chapter Importance of Chemistry. In the last class, I have told you the importance of chemistry in different fields, in the field of industry, in the field of medical science. Now we will continue from the same. We will discuss about the importance of chemistry in consumer products. Chemistry has provided us with a lot of consumer products. For example, wood has been replaced by plastic. In the ancient times, most of the articles were prepared by wood, but now plastic has taken the place of the wood. Why plastic has taken the place of wood? Because it is cheap and more durable than the wood. It is also necessary to preserve wood because it will be easier for us for maintaining a balanced ecosystem. If forests will be not there, then how the life of a person can be imagined? Okay, then next field in which chemistry has provided us importance is household. Chemistry has provided us a lot of preservatives. Preservatives are used to keep the food preserved for a long time, keep the food fresh for a long time. Okay, then chemistry has provided us with brass, and brass is brass has replaced stainless steel. Because brass is an alloy, then the properties of metals are more better than the single metal. Brass and copper articles has been replaced by the stainless steel. Why? Stainless steel is an alloy, and stainless steel do not react with the substance in which the food is kept. The food which is kept in stainless steel substance does not react with it. Means brass and copper have been replaced by the stainless steel. In the same manner, because chemistry has provided with a lot of preservatives, it keeps the food fresh for a long time, and it also help us to feed a lot of hungry peoples. Chemistry has also provided us with CFC. The full form of this term CFC is chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon is used to keep the refrigerators cool. It is used as a coolant in refrigerator. It is the result of research of chemists that we have got this coolant which keeps the food items fresh and cool for a long time. Chemistry has also provided us with LPG. Full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas, which is till the present time best fuel used for cooking gas. It is the use of this cooking gas that we have stopped using the ways of cooking the food which are not cheap and which are not also good for the environment. Okay, students. Next article which we will discuss about is cosmetic products. Chemistry has provided us with a lot of cosmetic products. For example, nail polishes, lipsticks, creams, antiseptic lotions. It is the result of this chemistry that we have got these type of cosmetic products which not only keep us beautiful but also help us to live in a clean environment. If we become clean, environment become clean, and we will keep ourselves safe from many kind of diseases which are harmful for us also. Clear? So chemistry has provided with a lot of cosmetic products which help us to live in a clean environment, and in turn they also keep us beautiful. Okay friends? Next, protecting materials from corrosion. How chemistry has helped from protecting materials from corrosion? It is help us to protect materials from corrosion in the following way. Why? It has provided us with paints, varnishes, dyes which used to keep the metals away from the moisture which is harmful for us. If moisture come in contact with the metal directly, the metal get corrode and it will be not useful for us. Apart from this, chemistry has also provided us with paints, dyes which is used for painting the substances, painting the buildings, painting the articles, and for painting purposes also. So chemistry has provided us with this type of articles. Thank you, students. The rest of the part we will discuss in the next class.